Today we are going to be learning about number lines. I can graph integers and rational numbers on a number line. What are negative numbers? Positive numbers can be written with or without a positive sign, but they are usually written without it. Negative numbers are always written with a negative sign. So from 0, we have positive integers written in the blue and negative integers written in the red. Notice how each negative number has that negative sign. We have -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Then in blue, we have our positive integers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What are opposite numbers? Two numbers are opposites if, on a number line, they are the same distance from 0, but on different sides of 0. Integers are the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. So all whole numbers and their opposites. Opposite numbers are the same distance from 0. The sum of opposites is 0. So -5 plus 5 equals 0. -5 and +5 are opposite numbers. They are the same distance from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same distance. The opposite of 0 is 0. Problem 1. Complete the number line. Then graph -2. What is the opposite of -2? So here the number line has been completed. We filled in +2 and +3. We graphed -1 on our number line, -2 on our number line with the red dot. We also plotted -3, -4, and -5. The opposite of -2 is 2 because they are the same distance from 0. The sum of -2 and 2 is 0. Problem 2. The morning temperature in a large city in Minnesota was recorded each day for 7 days. The temperatures recorded were -2 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Fahrenheit, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -7 degrees Fahrenheit, and -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Graph the temperatures on the number line. So here in pink, we have graphed all of the temperatures for Minnesota for 7 days. Starting from 0, we have +2 and +4 degrees Fahrenheit. We have -2 degrees Fahrenheit, -4, -7, and -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Problem 3. Deshaun, Chris, Tanya, and Austin play a game. Each turn, a player can lose a point or win a point. At the end of the game, the scores are as shown. Graph the scores on the number line. Deshaun has 2 points, Chris has -4 points, Tanya has -5 points, and Austin has 3. So here in the pink, we have graphed all of the points that each person has won. So Tanya won -5 points, Chris had -4 points, Deshaun had 2 points, and Austin had 3 points. Problem 4. Jessie is the student treasurer for the video game club. She records club expenses as negative numbers and deposits to the club account as positive numbers. She graphed these amounts on the number line. She graphed -6, -2, and +4. Jessie did not label every tick mark on her number line. What is the distance between each tick mark on Jessie's number line? So the question is asking, what's the distance between each tick? So from 0 to this tick, 0 from this tick to 4, to this tick, to 8. So it's counting by 2s. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And going the negative way. 0, -2, -4, -6, -8. Each one is 2 apart. What are rational numbers? The set of rational numbers is the set of all numbers which can be expressed in the form a over b, where a and b are integers, and b cannot be 0. b cannot equal 0. The decimal representation of a rational number either terminates or repeats. Problem 5. Graph the fractions on the number line. You have 3/4 and 5/8. Here, in pink, we have graphed 5/8 and 3/4. So I can see that each of my ticks is counting by 1/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 or 1/2, 5/8, 6/8 or 3/4, 7/8, and 8/8 or 1 whole. Problem 6. Graph -2.8 and its opposite on the number line. So here is -2.8 graphed on the number line, and its opposite is +2.8 on the number line because they are the same distance from 0.